A seemingly endless queue of migrants crossing the Rio Grande from Mexico into the United States. They're part of a recent surge in migrant crossings in places like the Eagle Pass Gateway, one of the busiest border crossings between the two countries. Many of them say they're fleeing worsening political and economic conditions in their home countries.
The situation in my country is suffocating.
In Mexico, the recent wave of migrants appears overwhelming. Earlier this week, Mexico's National Railway Service, Ferromex, announced a temporary suspension of operations after several deaths and injuries were reported, involving migrants falling from train cars. Freight trains are one of the most popular methods used by migrants as they make their way to the United States. Collectively, these rail cars are known as La Bestia, or the Beast.
We've been walking for 9 to 10 days. Walking is awful because in my group, which came here walking, we got our feet injured. And with such a long way to go until we reach the border, I don't think we can even...
The crisis appears just as dire along Mexico's southern border with Guatemala. On Monday, a group of migrants, most of them from countries like Haiti, Cuba, Honduras, and Venezuela, forced their way into a refugee station.
We are absolutely uninformed. They don't display any sign, anything that informs the people. I think they should find a solution to this.
Facing a sharp influx of migrants from Latin America and the Caribbean, immigration policy experts in Mexico are calling on the government to establish more processing centers for migrants to prevent the current crisis from worsening.